Quick SLX artifact update. You all know I'm trying to go for absolute originality and max documentation. Well, this SLX was originally sold in Mississippi at a dealer that doesn't exist anymore called North Park Mazda Acura. It's since been renamed to Acura of Jackson. I contacted them unsuccessfully several weeks ago trying to get a license plate. They wouldn't send me one, or I didn't really hear back from anybody. But then a week or two goes by and my friend Dylan sends me a picture of an Acura Vigor in a junkyard wearing this plate on its front bumper. I couldn't believe my eyes. I contacted the individual who sent him the picture of that Vigor in a junkyard, and he went back for this item for me and picked it off of a junkyard car. And here it is in my garage in Phoenix. It just shows you how crazy cool this small community of car people is. And you can really track down just about anything. And a huge thanks to Aaron for sending me this item. Culprit. Looks like it was made July of '94. Oldie. Garbage. Okay, it's all removed. Look where you can see that it sat for a couple of decades. This carpet is horrible, especially right there. Yikes. I don't know what spilled there, but I'm gonna not worry about it for right now because my cover is gonna go over it anyway. I'll put back together. Check this out. A friend of mine in Baltimore, thank you, Chris, mailed me an exclusively rare Acura SLX gold emblem package. Check this baby out. I don't know if my old heap is worthy of that. Kind of fun to look at just for memorabilia purposes though. I think some of you previously commented on the first generation Prelude over here at my Honda shop. That belongs to the owner, Tate, and he's had it for a really long time. Just picked up the SLX, or I'm about to anyway. We ended up doing some work to the hoses and brake system. This thing was leaking fluid like crazy, and we did a power steering pump with an aftermarket remanufactured pump, replaced the suction hose with a bulk hose, and replaced the brake master cylinder with a used part. So hopefully that helps some of the issues I've been having with heavy leaks on this thing.